What's up, YouTube? Today we have a queen knife. It comes in a fairly small sheath. The piece itself is small though, so it's not necessarily a bad thing. Let me see if I have my measuring tape handy. You know, I actually found it since the last video, but now I don't know where it is. In any event, this is a bird and trout knife from Queen with, I'm not sure what kind of handles. I'll put them in the description. So you can see the fit and finish. It's decent, but not super great. I'm assuming the tang extends into this. It might not though. And as you can see, it says Queen City Cutlery, Titusville, PA. And this offers about a very crowded 4 fingers. My hands are a little fat. But yeah, this is, said it's about 3.5 inches. It's a very cool piece. When I got it, I will admit I did not expect it to be this small. This is pretty small, but I don't think it's too small. And then this is also very small. Let me find a comparison. Something to compare it to. So as you can see, this isn't big. This is fairly small. I like it though. It's a good piece. It's more of a collector's thing for me. Obviously I collect, but when I first got it, I thought I would be using it maybe, but it turns out that it's just pretty neat. I mean, I know that this is actually a piece that when I posted it on the internet in a group I'm in, a bunch of other people had different versions, so I'm not the only one that likes this little knife. I think it would make a great desk knife, or say if you were out and about in a place where knives are super frowned on, or maybe even a work carry, because it is neat. It's just very small, very unassuming, and I'm sure very capable little knife. In any event, thanks for sticking with me. That's all she wrote for this one, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye now.